Hello everyone, if you watch my old video, you can got some tutorial about how to decorate the event by using our large rose in ballroom. But on this video, I will use smaller ballroom to make the decoration. This 10-inch size and this 13-inch size. Since the ballroom is small, so look, the opening is small also. We cannot put in the flower, the rose like this. We have to use some smaller size of flower, like this one. So, or this type of flowers. Okay, now let's go. Okay, look, I make several small ballrooms, smaller than the one I make for the old tutorial. But still, we have two sides. Look, you can check the difference. Look, the ballrooms, they are round shape, but not 1% round. You can check it. If you want it perfect round, please don't buy from me. We cannot find any round ball from the factory. Okay, then we need to put on the holder. About the detail how to tie the holder on the ballroom, please check my old tutorial by click here. I don't repeat this procedure about how to make the ballroom on this video. Okay, now let's go on. Okay, and then we cut a small piece of hard cardboard, or you can make a wooden ball, and cut a small piece of the floral foam. Use the glue gun. Apply the hot glue on the floral foam and stick it on the cardboard. Any wooden ball or anything will be okay. And then our ballroom, just very simple, insert it in the floral foam will be okay. Okay, look, completed and very sturdy. I also make one for the larger ballroom. Okay, stand up all the ball. Okay, let's set up the table. Okay, then let's put on the ballroom on the paper runner. Okay, this is the effect. And for your information, the ball, they are a little bit linking, like this one, become smaller. Okay, then the next step, we need to add the fairy line on the ballroom. About the fairy line, it's not possible to use individual fairy line to tie on each of the ball. By using, for example, we have 8 ballroom here. 7 ballroom here. We cannot use 7 fairy line. It's impossible. So we will use a very long fairy line to write on the ballroom. Just use 1 fairy line. So I use this 10-meter fairy line, 10 meter long. Okay, completed. Let's light up the ballroom. Look, this ballroom is linking. So if you want to make this design, you need to buy more ballroom as standby. We can change to use the USB or the battery case. We accept customize. Also, we accept customize the length of the fairy line. Okay, light up the ballroom. Let's check the effect. Completed. Okay, then we use our thread ball fairy light to cover the base and make it much more vibrant. Okay, look, I read some thread ball fairy light under the ballroom to cover the foam base, but because the fairy line not long enough, so I don't have so many balls to cover all the foam. But anyway, you can make it longer and using more thread ball. We accept customize the length and customize the color of the ball and the quantity of the ball. Okay then, let's light up the thread ball fairy line. Look, we have 2 options. The USB power and the battery case. So this time I will use the battery case. Okay, light up. Okay, completed. After we put on our cutlery and print, look, this is the effect. Look, our ballroom. In fact, if you want to cut costs and don't want to buy so many thread ball fairy line and want to cover the foam, you can use some fabric, the chiffon or sash fabric, to wrap on the foam will be okay. The come out will be pretty good. Okay, this ballroom is linking. Okay, look. Okay, let's check the effect. And if you can make more ballroom and put it on the runner, make it close, not just line in one line, the come out will be much more pretty. You can try it. And there are shortage for this idea because the ballroom would link like this one. So if you want to use this idea on your event, please consider the shortage. Okay, let's check the ballroom again. The thread ball fairy line. And for your information, we supply all materials, includes the charger and the cutters used on our video. If you are interested to order, you can find the link on the information field below this video. Link to my Facebook page. Message me for the, inbox me for the quotation. Also, please do me a favor by like, share, and comment on this video if you like this idea. And most of all, please do not skip the advertisement because I need the revenue to buy more material and make more video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.